So folks, another night here in the engine room, doing not a lot else. I don't know why that's off, but so all I'm doing tonight really is I'm going to strip these and clean them. I'm hoping to get all the other bits cleaned and painted, ready to be put on the engine. The rocker covers just being drying. So with that in mind, I'm going to clean these carbs and see how we get on with them. Right, so that's the carbs all sorted. The look of concentration on his face.
I feel in a compromising position.
Slightly. I'll have to add this in so I've got some content, otherwise if I'm in the workshop for a night I might not have anything to put in.
I'm ready when you are, mate. This will be a failure now because we're filming.
Yeah. Just like that.
Is that all of them then, John?
I'll tell you that.
You hate that stuff, don't you?
Yeah, that was loose already, so it should be good. More work on Tom's car tonight than he has.
More work on his car than he has all year, mate.
So yeah, it's another late evening for microwave meal in the workshop. So you'd have seen in a clip, or we'll see in a clip, last night I was at Squire Racing HQ with Dan himself and Kev Dunn. So yeah, Tom, your dad told me to send you an invoice for the labour on the axle. So you'll see a clip of that. Then Dan's honed the shale block for me. That is in the boot of my car, and I'll get that in a minute. Hopefully, I'm thinking I might build that up tonight, because everything's gone a bit pear-shaped with my order of things. I was hoping to have all the bits, finish cleaning stuff tonight, get it all ready for Sunday, and then spend all day Sunday building the engine. But now I've got to go and fetch the truck on Sunday from Sheffield, from Emma's dad's, where it's being fitted out, and he sent me some pictures of it. It looks amazing, so I'm looking forward to seeing it in person. Yeah, so I'm hoping maybe get the shale engine together tonight, or the bottom end of the shale engine together, and then we'll put I'll probably drag the tarmac engine out. I don't know whether to put it in the stand and run it up before I put it in the car, or just to put it in the car because it's time. But then again, it's going to take me more time to take it out of the car if it don't run right. It's just, you know, it's devil in deep blue sea basically. So yeah, we'll just see how we get on. So quick thanks to my wife Emma for me butter chicken tonight. I say thank you to Sam for providing me dinner last night, because they were kind enough to feed me as well as home me engine, so can't go wrong with a bit of Squire racing hospitality either. So that was unexpected, but thanks Sam, and I'll see you all later once I've done a bit of work. Right, horrible cold at the minute, but here we are. So I borrowed another one of your stands, Dougie, so thank you very much, mate. Also, yes, they are very nice headstands. I'm not sure where I've put them now. Oh, they're on the back there. Thanks for... I've had them for about a year and you haven't noticed yet. But yeah, anyway, so this is the shale engine. It's come back from honing from Dan's. So that's all done. Basically now I've got to repeat the process that we did with the tarmac engine, which is here. I've literally just moved it out of the way so we can probably build the bottom end up on this. Not fully clean, is it? Oh, that's a broken bolt, that's why. So I'm going to just clean all the bores up because they've got a bit of honing fluid in them, and then we will crack on with building it up probably. Good night. Another good night. So I think I'm about done now for tonight, but managed to get the crank in the block, which is great. I've just got to put the rings on the pistons before I can do much more. So rings on the pistons, put the pistons in, put the cam in, do the cam time in, sump on, all that stuff. So that's next anyway. So we'll leave it there for tonight, and we'll come back another and see how we get on. Right, so yeah, fairly successful night. I managed to get one piston in. I thought, we keep saying this every time we go to the cam timing, to turn the engine over is a lot easier with one piston in than it is with all 8 in. So I put one piston in, ready to set the cam timing. I started getting the cam gears together, but time's getting on a bit, so I thought we'll leave it be tonight, otherwise I'll be half asleep trying to do it and might make a mistake. So best off not doing that. So we're happy with that anyway. We broke the back of that. That's started. The engine's here. The crankshaft's in, and we've got a piston in. The clearances are good. This engine needs starter motor putting on. The water thermostat housing he's putting on. I'm waiting for the water pump gaskets. That's a main thing. Put an oil filter on it. Build all the throttle linkage back on the back, because that's part of that. And I need to put the seals on here because I've only put these on loose for now. And see if we're going to paint these. So yeah, happy with that. Anyway, happy with the progress we're making. So that's good. And yeah, I'll on another night. Sunday, I think it's 22nd. So we've just got all the pistons in the shell engine, so that's another good job done. I'm going to get the front cover pot of this on now, and hopefully this will be, well, as far as I can go with it before the end of the day. So let's crack on. Another job back to dust. Well, now that's on. Spin it over. Something can't I? That's it sealed up. Cover it up and stay there until I get the ends. So, final touch. Stick the old front pulley back on. Boom, like that. And basically, so this is about as far as I can go with this engine now. I could put the water pump on. I might put the water pump on. So I might put the water pump on it, but apart from that, that's as much as we can really do to this until the heads come back. Once the heads come back, we can do all the, we've got the fun of measuring the valves and shimming them. So, but I'm pretty happy with that now. That's a job well done. So thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. There should be an icon here for subscribe, icon here for an icon here for a video. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.